Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write short speech on Independence Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Honorable Principal Sir, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I extend a warm welcome to all of you at today's Independence Day celebrations. I am very happy that I have been given the opportunity to speak today on this auspicious occasion. On this special day, let us celebrate the cherished spirit of freedom that defines our great nation. Today, as we stand united, we honor the countless sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who valiantly fought for our independence. Independence Day is not just a date on the calendar, it represents the triumph of courage, resilience, and unwavering determination. It is a reminder that our freedom is hard earned and should be cherished with gratitude and responsibility. As the tricolor flag flutters proudly in the breeze, let us remember the values that our national flag symbolizes. That is unity, peace, and diversity. It is a beacon of hope, inspiring us to rise above differences and work towards a prosperous and inclusive society. On this day, let us pledge to preserve and protect the hard fought freedom that we have inherited. It is our collective duty to uphold the principles of justice, equality, and democracy. So, my friends, let our spirits soar high like the kite in the sky, embracing the limitless possibilities that freedom bestows upon us. Together, let us build a brighter future where every individual can thrive and our nation shines as a guiding light for the world. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day.